Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. So here is my S25 Ultra, and if you want to put your SIM card inside your phone, you need to look here in the bottom of your phone, because here is the SIM track. And to remove it, you need a little pin, but we don't have that pin anymore in the box. Here we have only the user guide and the USB data cable. So you need to find a pin like this, okay, and then just go to the bottom of your phone, and you need to put this little needle inside the hole. Be careful, because here we have two holes. This one is for a microphone, and the other one is for SIM tray. Just put it here like this, okay, I hope you see it, and now push it. And remove the SIM tray, and let's take a closer look. Here you can put the SIM 1, and on the other side you can put the SIM 2. There is no place for the memory SD card. And now let's put the SIM cards. You need a nano SIM, and this is the first one, and you need to put it like this. I hope you see it, okay. And now on the other side, let's put the second one, also a nano SIM, and you need to put it here like this, okay. And now let's go to the first one, okay. And you need to take the SIM tray like this in the front of your eyes to have the SIM 1. Okay, and now just put it here in the phone. Be a little careful, like this, okay, and push it, and that's all. Now let's go to the phone, and just look here in the top for the signal, okay, and here we have the signal, and everything is okay. Now, to remove the SIM cards, again, put this needle inside the hole, push it, and remove the SIM tray. Now, remove the SIM cards, like this, okay, and put it back. Okay. So, this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.